Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm going to be making a card using the Cheerful Daisies. This is going to be my online class that's coming on Saturday. If you haven't signed up for it, I'm sorry, it is too late, but this is an additional card, so you can still stamp along if you'd like. All right, here we go. This one is a bundle, so it comes with the stamp set and the dies. I'm going to be using this little die for a twig. Ooh. And I'm going to be using this large flower die. And I think that's it. And then for my stamps, I'm going to be using this small one here, this large one here, the large and the small center, this twig here, and then the You Made My Day. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with a crumb cake base. So I'm just going to burnish this down. And then I have some designer series paper, and that is from, what is the name of that? I don't remember, but the back side is beautiful. Let's see. I don't remember what the name of it is, but it is really pretty. And it's got these little daisies on there. So I'm going to go ahead and I already know that this is going to be going on the front. So we'll go ahead and just place that right on the front there. And then if you saw me turn the vellum into this type of vellum with the dots using the embossing folder, then you know exactly how I did it. If you didn't, there is a video right before this one showing exactly how I did it, just taking a couple minutes to show that. So we've got that much so far. Now let's do our stamping. We're going to go ahead and get our inside, and we're going to get our small daisy. I'm going to be using the petal pink because that matches with the petal pink there. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to stamp that guy right in the corner, just like that. Then I'm going to get out my Daffodil Delight, and we're going to use that little inside and just put that right in there, right in the center, and you are good to go. And while I have that out, I'm going to go ahead and get out my larger stamp and my petal pink again. And this can just go on a basic white, just a scrap piece of paper, just like that. We're going to get out our larger middle piece there. We're just going to stamp that as well. We've got our flowers done. And then I have a piece of Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to use my Memento Tuxedo Black and my You Made My Day. We're going to get that right along the side here. And we've got that. Now we just need to cut that down, and we've got our piece there. Save that because you can still use that for something else. We are going to attach this to the inside of our card. And I just use the Stampin' Seal. Some people like to use the green glue. Sometimes I do use that. But we've got the inside of our card. Now we're going to take this guy. We're going to run it through our, well, we're going to line it up first. Find out where it lines up. There you go. We're going to run that through our Big Shot. And then while we're running that through our Big Shot, we might as well run this piece through our Big Shot. So how we would do that, we're going to get out our little twig with our old olive, and we're going to put that here, run that through as well. Now these are smaller pieces, so they're going to fit right through the mini. And then when they come out, you're going to have these two pieces just like that. So I've got my twig. I've got my You Made My Day. We're going to take that twig and we are going to tie a piece of, oh gosh, now I can't remember the name of this either. It's the twine, the linen thread. There we go. So I'm going to take a piece of that linen thread and I'm going to tie it around, and I'm going to make a knot, or not a knot, a bow. And then we're going to go ahead and put this all together. So I am going to take a little bit of the green glue here. And just add that. Sorry, we must be getting a delivery or something because our doggo is wanting to yell at somebody. So I'm just going to add that there with the green glue. And I'm going to flip it over to hold it down. I'm just going to put a little bit of heavy on there while I add some dimensionals to the daisy. And 3 should work perfectly, kind of make just a triangle there. I've also added the dimensionals, the little mini dimensionals here. Of course, I need my Take Your Pick tool. All right, this should be nice and dry now. Yes, I love that it doesn't take so long. I'm just going to turn that this way, stick it on there, get these little guys right off of here. Got your You Made My Day. And then if you know me, we're going to finish this off with just some little let's see. I'm going to put one down here. And I'll put a smaller one right there. And there you go. Look how cute that card is. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And as always, you can go to beautyandthestamper.com to check out more about me and order any of the products you see here. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!